Welcome back to Newfoundland Garden. I'm in the beet bed this morning and I'm doing my 1 foot square gardening rule when it comes to beet. So 9 beets per square foot. I got 6 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Bobby, you do good with beets.
My beets seem to grow. Now I found some tree roots down under there. I don't know what that's going to do mid-year. And this year I'm putting cow manure in the square.
Composting.
So if you want to take a look up through behind me in the garden that I just finished planting, you can see that I got
Now, Bobby just got beets in these black squares, you see.
yeah.
But I was telling and all that little space around, you could probably plant lettuce or something.
Yeah, I got some lettuce, and I'll probably put some lettuce there. So this is a great way to plant your beets. Square foot, every little square foot. Put 9 beet seeds.
Yeah, looks good too, Bobby.
So I gotta get a little bit more put on that one, and then I've got to try to do something.
Now, why we got this yellow stuff is for the cats.
Right.
And we need more because we get cats in our garden tearing everything up.
I tried cylinders, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
EW Gaze in St. John. I tried the ones that grows like a cylinder.
Yeah.
I'm always bottling my beets anyway, so.
Yeah, you does really good with beets, Bobby.
I'll try this and see.
Is this the second year for this bed?
No, I've grown beets here now. Grown beets here now for 4 years.
Oh, 4 years.
I'm always bringing the soil back to life with cow manure and compost.
Yeah.
There's a lot of compost in this bed now. I brought over 3 or 4 buckets from the compost pile.
So, Bobby, did you keep doing the kelp tea now, or you give up?
No, put kelp tea on my asters yesterday.
Okay.
Kelp tea going in the shed in there actually.
There's your rhubarb is looking some good. Let's walk over.
Rhubarb is going to feed the air by lunch.
Yeah, these rhubarb is looking really good. Bobby planted in a couple years ago.
This is their second, 3rd year being moved now.
Yeah.
So this is after you cut some. Takes
But
a
they're
couple
looking
years.
really good though.
Yeah, look, it looks like I got one that's going to make some seed.
Yeah,
Look.
bringing up his seed thing.
Oh.
Oh yeah, his little pod.
Yeah,
Yeah. Oh, they're looking awesome though.
she is looking good.
Yeah. Bobby gets a lot of rain off this roof here. Comes down onto him, and Dave really likes it here. Maybe it's the shade, eh?
She really likes the spot now
Yeah.
since they settled in.
Yeah.
First year I hardly got anything, but this year they got themselves made comfortable and they're really cracking to it. I got to get some kelp brought up here and throw on top of the ground to knock the grass down. Grass competes with everything, of course. So the beets are all set, and instead of having going on with the cats like I had last year, I got some old dragger twine from the local fishermen there that used to be shrimp draggers, and I got it spread over the bed, letting just let the beets grow up there, I guess. And now the cats won't have their way with it, and if I took care of the tree roots, then without them having to touch this again, only just the water and fertilize. So once you put your beets in, a little bit of blood meal and bone meal, which I got to go get now and put on the beets. So I'm going to throw some blood meal and bone meal on, and when that's done, Bob's Yonk on to August. Your fertilizers in August with some fertilizer with a little bit of boron in it. And that's the key to beets, is your fertilizer with boron, folks. Anyway. So once you get everything planted, I put a mesh there to stop the cats this year. They were hard on it last year, so bone meal. This is my first one. Bone meal. Blood meal. Bone meal and blood meal. I buy this over home hardware. Comes in, it's on the shelf. There's like $12 for a pack bag. The manure that I put in. I put manure after I put the square. I put in manure. And I went behind the manure and put some Miracle Grow potting mix. I put Miracle Grow on top. So I was waiting for these to show up because once you see these, then you know it's the pollinators. It's warm enough for the pollinators to be hatched too. So the pollinators are hatched as well and gone out of the soil. So now you can actually clean up the garden. So I guess it's a little view. What a glorious day this is. It is hot. I don't mean warm, I mean hot. It's wicked hot. Yep, coming. Whew. You can see the sweat coming off of me. It's really hot here today. Supposed to only be 20, but I don't think it's a lot more than that card now, I feel. Anyway, from Bob and the Newfoundland Gardener, let's keep growing on the rock, everyone. Have a great one. Bye.